my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Good morning, almost good afternoon. We are currently on our way to an arts and crafts festival here in Houston. It's on Bel Air Boulevard, and I'm super excited. Be careful, Bubba's.
We'll talk to y'all in a little bit, okay? Get into the car now.
All right, we found some parking.
Yeah, we did.
And we're about to walk across the street so that we can go to the festival. Baby boy is in his stroller with a fan pointed on him. And he's sleeping. So this is the best time. And he's literally in complete shade. I'm gonna show y'all. He's literally in complete shade. He has a fan going on him now. And he's in there. So yeah. We all good and ready to go. We're about to cross the street right here. The festival is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that sign right there that says Arts and Crafts. We're about to go over there. Cause we ain't in a rush. Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We're finally way across the street over yonder. Cause you know we would have been sold. They got Bluey too. Absolutely beautiful.
There on Thursday night.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, like
To bring a happy birthday cake out to you today.
Mama's tamales.
Baby's trying to say that she told me that they had food here.
What festival don't have food? Like,
And on the little vendor list, we only saw popsicles and some juice, like a juice bar. Which we found the juice bar, and we saw people
tamales over there with pork, chicken, and spinach and cheese. They got chicken over here. They got fire roasted Brussels sprouts, mimosas, wine, all the things.
Yeah. So it's legit, y'all. It's legit. It's legit.
You already did.
We're about to do our first order, and then we'll check out the rest of the festival afterwards. So strawberry mimosa, Brussels sprouts, cap, just to start off. See if wifey approves. You lying? Let me see. Let me see. I'll be the tester.
Fire. Say they not fire.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's good.
You hear that old lady? Brussels sprouts. Yuck. Like.
Leave that alone.
The mimosas are good.
Alright, I gotta dry my drink now. Baby boy is still not. So far, so good. It's pretty chill.
Baby boy woke up. How you feeling? Did you have a good nap? He's interested in the fan. But Simone found a book that she likes for him, so she's getting that one. It's like a sensory book. All right, so this is the book Simone got. That's Not My Puppy, and it's a sensory book.
Yeah.
So cute.
It has like different areas where you can touch.
So cool. You excited? Aw, that's so cool.
Pretty cool.
My babies. Of course, I had to get something sweet, so we're getting some macaroons.
Maybe we can talk you into adopting it. What do you think?
He's
You like
just
dogs?
looking. How old is he?
About 2.
Okay.
All right, so we got red velvet first. We like the packaging. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's nice. Let's see how this tastes. Smell test.
Feels like a macaroon. Okay.
Actually tastes really good.
She know what she doing. Oh. That's good.
Yeah, that's red velvet.
That's probably the
Chef
best
kiss.
macaroon I've ever had.
No, seriously. She got some crack cocaine.
All right, this one is cotton candy.
We're gonna have to hit her up.
Literally.
She's gonna have to cater one of our parties for real.
So serious.
Let's see.
Oh, it's crumbling.
Cotton candy crumbling?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
This is how it looks.
I see it. It is coming apart.
You take a bite of the regular side.
It's a different texture, but still macaroon. I think that's
Ooh.
good.
I'm making a mess, honestly.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to vacuum.
Finger licking good.
I'm gonna go get the small vacuum in a second. All right, the last one I'm super excited about. My tongue is changing colors. But this one is the Dubai chocolate. I'm excited because I love me some Dubai chocolate.
Ooh, that smells like it.
You first. Babe. Oh my gosh.
It tastes like it.
That is so good.
Damn. This place is fire.
Oh my gosh, she's so good.
Check her out. Macaroon Patch.
I got a business card.
So good.
It's so good, y'all. Seriously.
Give me my glass.
We only got 3 of them, but she has some good deals and good prices.
Yeah, I think if
And
you
it's
buy
so worth
7,
it.
it's for 15.
15, yeah.
So that's like the deal.
But they're $2.50 a piece.
You can get any variety. And she had Snickers. She had all these different flavors outside of the ones we picked. We just picked top 3. But I think it was $2.50 for one and 7 for 15.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, check that out. I'm telling you.
So good.
You
We
won't
should have got
regret.
more.
Yeah, we should.
I'm mad. I'm mad.
So we destroyed them.
I'm so mad. We should have just got
Festival
the 7.
over. We can catch her. Nah, just
Girl, hush. It's almost, it closes at 4.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We'll be back.
Good morning.
Hi, everybody. Good morning.
So today or this morning, we decided to go wash our cars and clean the inside out. Well, wash a car. Our car. My car.
Yeah.
Our car.
There you go. We're getting the car wash, y'all.
Yeah. And it really needs to be vacuumed out. So this is baby boy's first
Thank you.
car wash. So I'm excited to see how he's gonna react. I'm gonna put the music back on, and then just let us get his reaction. I have the camera on here. he's tired too, so
Yeah, it's just nap time.
let's put the music back on and enjoy this car wash.
So yeah, we're at
Good morning.
Good morning. We're at Dunkin', getting our fix for the day. And I'll show y'all what we got. We still gotta wait on the food, but I got a mango pineapple refresher, green tea refresher, and babe has.
I got an iced coffee with caramel, brown sugar, a vanilla shot, some liquid cane sugar, and almond milk. Period.
All right, baby boy's in the back. Y'all probably hear him. And so the food we got, I got a turkey, egg and cheese wrap, but with no cheese. And then I got hash browns. What you get, baby?
For that lady is right there, and I'll bring it out.
Okay, thank you. I got an egg and cheese croissant sandwich, and then an order of hash browns because I got the little $6
meal deal.
Dunkin'
Okay.
meal.
Shout out to the meal deal. All right, well,
I'm gonna go grocery shopping today after I drop off baby at work, so that's what you guys are going to be seeing me do. So
yeah, and I'm gonna be headed.
over to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna be headed to work. So stay tuned for the grocery vlog
Yeah.
with babe and son. Okay, I'm gonna turn his music back on
Immediately,
so he can be
expeditiously.
more content. But we just wanted to say hey and check in with y'all. Bye.
Currently at the grocery store, baby boy is sleeping. So let's see if I can go ahead and get a bulk of our grocery shopping done before he wakes up. Alright, y'all. Checking out now. The crew woke up. All right, now we are going to head to Kroger, and that will be our last stop. It shouldn't take us long. It's currently 9:46. I don't have a lot left to get, just a few things that I didn't want to buy in bulk at Aldi, and some things that only Kroger sells, or maybe other stores, but we usually just go to Aldi and Kroger. So yeah, let's go to Kroger. We're at Kroger. Hola.
Hey.
So we're eating lunch. I got a Santa Fe chicken salad. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. And wifey got,
I got a Caesar chicken salad. It's fire.
and we got snacks.
Wifey with the lunch
And
pack.
leftovers. So we're just gonna chill, talk, and eat.
Baby boy sleeping in the back.
Yeah, Shiloh's sleeping, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
This is his
Taking him a good little nap.
second nap of the day. So, or maybe third. I think third. Alright. Bye. Alright, y'all, this is dinner. So we got some green beans, some sweet potatoes, and some turkey kielbasa sausage. Bon appetit. Hola.
Hey everybody.
So
Look at Shiloh and cook.
wifey has some exciting news.
Yeah, so I just found out today that I got a promotion at my job.
Big money.
So it's effective as of today, but next week on Monday. So today's Tuesday, April 29th. But next week on Monday, which I believe is like May 5th. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo. Another celebration.
Oh,
Hey, okay, DJ Shiloh.
I'm about to say, look, rude, little vibe. But yeah, next week on Cinco de Mayo, that's when I officially started my role. So, starting in May.
So,
new blessings, new beginnings.
I got Say a surprise, but it's not a traditional surprise.
We already going out to dinner.
I know. So it's just like a simple one.
Okay.
But close your eyes.
Close my eyes. Okay.
My wifey has been saying that I've been slacking on my baking bag. So
I have been telling you to bake.
Open your eyes.
Ooh, la la.
And I made those from scratch.
All of these are mine.
Homemade.
Thanks, baby. They soft, y'all.
Shiloh said he wants some.
These peanut butter chocolate chip, I can taste it. They're good.
Can you tell I made them at home? Like without
They're so
packaged
good.
cookies. Like I actually put the flour, the sugar, all of that.
For real.
Yes, I made them from scratch.
Aww. Babe, they taste so good.
Good.
You couldn't even tell, like, they're not like store-bought or like the packaged kind. Dang, you did that.
Yeah.
Woo! Wifey in her baking bag. Yeah.
Sorry, son. I hit your head.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah, tell your mama you want a cookie.
Okay, we finna eat. Wifey brought lunch and some cookies. Who said you can't have dessert first? Who said it?
Okay.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Who you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like